I love this question because it is really cool to consider. We'll go up to the stage page. We got 3 main pages here in FreeShow, and I'm going to go through. I got a bunch of different stages that I've already created. Let's see here. Let's check out. If I do, okay, here's a FreeShow Friday test screen here. So let's go to this one. This is a layout that is FreeShow Friday. It has probably the current and the next slide text. We got some slide notes, but we want to add in an option for basically the upcoming song, right? So I can move this in and over. I don't know how big that is. Okay, so it's over there. All right. And this can come over here. Pull those down. All right. So we got those. We need to add in something up here. I want to put something up here to show the next song coming up. And let's see, if we go to our dynamic values, we got some options here. So I would think it's going to be a dynamic value, but let's see. So we got show name. Let's see. What I would say is let's do a text box and see if we can add in from here a dynamic value from this list to see if there's a next show name is what I'm thinking about. So here's show name. If I go up here to the top and select more options, show, let's see here, show name +1. So we got show name and then show name +1. You can change that to be plus whatever you want, +2, whatever it is. And so that's what you would select. So I would add that in, and I'm going to make that be in the text box settings over here. I'm gonna make it be grow to fit to be as big as it can be. And I'll go back in and let's go to a traditional service. And I don't know if I got any in here at all that will make sense, but let's see if we can find one. This is FreeShow Friday. Okay, cool. All right, so I got Mighty God. The template needs some help because it's running off. And that's something that I don't like. So for templates that are running off, what you want to do is go into your templates tab and then go to the actual, for this is a song. So I'm gonna go to my song settings and I got my big bold, but my big bold is big, but the text runs over. So I'm gonna go into edit it, the actual template itself, and I'm gonna set that to say shrink to fit. So now if there's a lot of text like this song has on each slide, it won't run over. So when I select it, it shows the slide there. But if we go to that stage layout that we were just working on, you'll see the show name shows up. Let's see, this is show name +1. And where's my layout? Okay, here we go. So up here at the top, it says good father. And that's what will be showing up. And let me pull it up so I can actually activate it. So I'll go to my settings and turn on that output. And WebRTC, here's a worship stage. So I got a stage output that I can activate. So I'm going to enable it so you can see the preview of it. And we're going to change that layout. So I'm going to go here and select the layout because this is where you'll see all the different layouts you've made. I'm looking for the one that's called FreeShow Friday Test. That's right here. You might have a different name, obviously, for yours. But now when I go into it, you'll see all the slides. And then I got the current slide, next slide. And if there's any notes, that would be here. But then the upcoming slide would be here. And so I might say in that same stage layout, I might put a moniker up in front of this and say, hey, up next. Right? That couldn't hurt. So that the speakers or the singers can know. And you can move this wherever you want. Maybe you put it down here so it's not in the way. And so I'll pull that there and I'll select this and hold down shift. I'm gonna move these up. Boom. All right. And so with this, I like a border for some reason, you guys. I'm gonna add a border to my items here. So we got the border on those. And then it just says up next with good father. All right. And so for that preview, if we select it up here, oh, there we go. It shows up like that. Now, what I would do probably for this, I would probably change the color of this as well, right? So this is some things you can do to customize. So I'm gonna go back, select that text box, select the text box settings, and I'm gonna change the color of this to be maybe a sky blue, or you might make it a yellow. Yellow and white always go well together with me. Sky blue can get lost if it's on a projector. Yellow usually shows up just fine. But that would be a way to do that. And so I can pull this up to be bigger, and it's set to be as big as it can be. So I'll center this up there. All right. And so I've got that set up, and you'll be able to see that go on across the board. So when I go to Good Father and we start that show, guess what? Up next is Joshua chapter 1, verses 1 through 9. And that's the stage layout.